out the march, or you can just walk it out. Both of them are good. We're winners, we're winning. This is the halfway mark. 3, 2, 1, here we go. 2, 1, 2. And again, 1, 2, we pause in the middle. 1, 2. You really then get that action on the oblique. Squeezing that muscle down here. Don't worry if it takes you a second to get it.
Pagod na, baby. Pagod na.
Working through.
Ano yung sasabihin sa papa? Papa, good night ka na sa papa. Good night. Mag-good night ka na. Yung kamay, tanggalin mo yung kamay. Tanggalin mo muna yung kamay. Good night. Sabi mo sa papa, good night. Love you. Mama. Papa. Bye-bye. Love you. Kiss mo lang sila sa cellphone. Kiss mo sila sa cellphone. Diyan. Yan. Love you. Love you, Papa.
This workout.
Peace. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka na sa mga Papa.
Enjoy moving.